Okay guys, for today's video, we're going to be trying the Easter edition Nerds Gummy Clusters, and we're going to be giving it our honest rating 1 out of 10. Okay.
All right,
So,
well, let's give her a try.
Yeah.
Open it up here. So what's the flavor? What kind does it say?
It doesn't say one. It's just an Easter version.
Hoppin'. It says sweet and gummy Hoppin' Nerds Gummy Clusters. Yeah, I don't really see a flavor on there.
Okay, well, let's give them a try.
Sounds good.
That was kind of a bad too.
Need some help?
Yeah, could you get that open?
Sure.
It's a little bit hard. Oh yeah, you got it.
Maybe. You kind of missed the one spot, it looks like here.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so they're probably gonna taste pretty good.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah.
That's if I can get the bag open.
Yeah, so it's like it has blue, red, yellow, white, and then
I don't know, buddy.
pretty good.
Maybe just rip it from this side, huh?
okay. Wait,
I got her. Here. All right.
so these are probably gonna be pretty good. Okay, so they look kind of like a cotton candy flavorish thing.
Okay.
Okay, so let's give them a try.
Let's give it a try, dude. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah, they are good, but
Yeah.
I'm trying to see anywhere, but it doesn't say like what the flavor is at all. There is no flavor written on it.
Yeah. I think it's just the hoppin' flavor.
Yeah, it says hoppin'.
Yeah. It says hoppin' right here.
No.
Okay. Okay.
I do like them.
They're pretty good. Do you like them?
Yeah,
Okay.
I think they're really good.
Okay. So now let's rate them.
Okay.
Okay. I'll go first. I'll give them a 9.4 out of 10.
9.4.
Yeah. What are you gonna rate it?
Let's see. I'm gonna say 9.3.
Okay, that's pretty high.
They're like really good. One of my favorites, but the thing is I don't even know what the flavor is.
Yeah.
It just says hoppin'.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess that's the end of today's video. Okay guys, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.